Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start in BIOS to get an accurate hardware reading, so plug in AC and shut down properly. Power on and press F2, or Dell on some models, to enter BIOS. This prevents Windows Power Management from masking battery metrics. Once in BIOS, locate the battery information or health section and note the reported charge capacity and cycle count. Make sure to record the BIOS version too, because firmware affects readings. These steps establish a trusted baseline before running deeper diagnostics. Once BIOS checks are done, run Dell's built-in diagnostics, EPSA from BIOS or Support Assist in Windows, to measure battery health and cycle count accurately. Select the battery test and wait through the full sequence. The tool stresses the battery to reveal capacity and AC adapter interaction. When results appear, compare the measured full charge in mAh to the original design capacity to calculate percentage health. Make sure to save the diagnostic report or screenshot for reference in the next step. Now interpret the numbers. If measured capacity is under about 70% of design, plan replacement, or warranty action. If it's slightly lower, recalibration can help. Once done, update BIOS and embedded controller firmware to resolve reporting errors, then retest. If readings or charge behavior remain odd, try a battery gauge reset, disconnect power, and hold the power button for 1 minute or remove battery if serviceable. Then recharge fully and rerun diagnostics. If problems continue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.